given the 0.2 and 4 and negative 4 and 8, we want to calculate the slope. We're going to write the equation slope-intercept form, find the x and y intercept, and the graph the line. The complete solution to this problem here is posted on YouTube. You just click on this link here or type this link. You should be able to view the whole solution. Okay, Gina, I'm going to go ahead and click on the talk button and tell me what's the first step.
Okay, so what you do is you have to do the slope formula, which is...
So you want to use the slope formula. What is the formula for the slope? M is equal to what?
M equals to y1 minus y2.
You mean y2
y2 minus
right?
y1, yes.
So y2 minus y1 over what?
x2 minus x1.
There's an x2 minus x1. So you need to know this formula here to find the slope. So at this point, I need to assign point 1 to be 2 and 4, and point 2 is minus 4 and 8. So since I'm assuming this is point 1, so this would be x1, and 4 would be y1, and then here we get x2 and y2. Alright, can somebody else tell me what do we get for the slope here? David, go ahead and click on the talk button. What do you get for slope? David not talking. Okay. Wu, go ahead and click on the talk button if you're talking. Okay, so y2, you're going to put 8 minus, okay, x2 minus 4 minus 2. Very good. So what we get at the top of the fraction is 4 over minus 6. So I need to reduce it to what? Very good. Minus 2 over 3. So when we get the slope is minus 2 over 3, I can write it as minus 2 over 3 or 2 over minus 3. Either one would be fine. So this is how you would find the slope. Write the equation in slope-intercept form. Go ahead and right. Okay. Go ahead and click on the top one and tell me how you write the equation.
You would write y equals negative 2/3 x.
Do you want to write the formula first, maybe?
Oh, okay, yeah.
Let's start with the formula. Y is equal to mx plus b.
Okay, so
and then go on. What do you do next?
You have to solve for b.
Right. Right. So you want to know what b is. You want to know what
you take the first set of
how do you do that?
P1.
Okay, so you want to stick this point here and call this point
right.
B. Right? So when you do that, then you can assign 2 to be equal to x and 4 to be equal to y, right?
So then you
substitute
y for to be the 4, and then you write in your slope negative 2/3, and then you multiply that by x, which is 2.
Multiply that by 2.
And then plus b.
So the only unknown here is b. Very good. So you get 4 is equal to minus 4 over 3 plus b. How do you solve for b now?
I got rid of the fraction first. And I put it back later, but
oh, you did that. Okay. You can do that. That's a good idea. Yeah. You want to multiply Shem by 3. Is that what you want to do? Okay, let's do it this way. Because on my session, the video clip I have here, I didn't do that. I just added the fraction. But that's a good idea. Let's do it this way. So that would be what? 12?
Negative 4 plus
12 is equal to negative 4 plus 3.
Oh, yes.
3.
Oh, yeah, that's right. That's right.
Right. It could be again the wrong answer. So if you want to multiply each term by 3, make sure you multiply b also by 3, otherwise you don't get the same equation. So this is good. Now I can solve for b. To solve for b, what do we have to do now?
Side, so
add 4. So it looks like on the left-hand side, what do I get? 16
equals 3b.
All right.
And then I divide it by
what is b? Divide both sides by 3. You get b is equal to 16 over 3. Very good. So that's one way to find b. Now once I find b, I'm done. To write the equation of the line, I would write y is equal to, my slope is minus 2 over 3 x plus b. Now I know what my b is, which is 16 over 3. So very good. So let me ask someone else. Can somebody tell me how to write this? This is in the form of slope-intercept form. How do you write this in standard notation? Okay, I get one to David. How do you write it in standard notation? Okay, I can hear you. Can you click on the top button at the top left? I have y is equal to minus 2 over 3x plus 16 over 3. You want to write this in standard notation. What's your first step? Put ax plus by is equal to c. Yeah, you also, very good thing. You also really want the, this to be look like ax plus by is equal to c. You're absolutely right. So how would I do that though? That's my question. How do you make this to look like ax plus by equal to c? Add 2/3. Remember, when we want to write in standard notation, the first step is to eliminate the fraction. That's what you have to do first. Multiply each term by 3 then. All right, very good. So the first step is to multiply each term by 3. Let's do that. I'm going to multiply each term by 3 to eliminate the fraction. So I would get 3y is equal to minus 2x plus 16. Okay, now that's all I need to do is just move the x to the other side, right? So add 2x to both sides of the equation. Okay, looks like David is posting the answer already. Good. So if I do that, I get, I'm going to start with x first. So I'll write 2x plus 3y is equal to 16. Very good. And that's exactly what David put in the chat for us. So that is the standard notation. So we still have to convert from slope-intercept form to standard notation. Okay, to find the x and y intercept, can somebody tell me how do you find y intercept? So you want to let x equal to 0 and solve for y, right? So if x equal to 0, you want to solve for y. And then we can use either of these equations that you said is the equation of the line, which is right here. I can use this one or I can use this one. Both of these are the equation of the line in different formats, right? So let's look at this the standard form. If x equal to 0, what is y? If I put 0 here, I would get 2 times 0 plus 3y is equal to 16. So it would be 3y is equal to 16, y is equal to 16 over 3, right? Or we could look at it here. If x equal to 0, y is equal to 16 over 3. That's easier probably to look at, right? So y would be equal to 16 over 3. So remember, x and y intercept are the points. So we're going to present this as an order pair. So you want to write this as an order pair. So use the parentheses, x equal to 0, comma, 16 over 3. Similarly, to find the x-intercept, I would have to let y be equal to 0. If I let y be equal to 0 and solve for x, I can go back and look at the standard form. If y is equal to 0, x would be equal to what? Anyone? Yeah, it would be 16 over 2, right? Divide both sides here by 2, get 16 over 2, 8. So that would be x would be equal to 16 over 2 or 8. And remember again, x-intercept should be present as an order pair. So you use a parentheses. You're saying 8, comma 0. These are points. If I locate these 2 points and connect them together, that would be my graph. So let's go ahead and I'm going to graph this using the slope-intercept stuff. I don't want to locate the intercept and connect them together. Can somebody tell me what would be the first step of graphing this using the slope-intercept? 16 over 3. Very good. So we already know the location of the y-intercept, which is about 5.3, right? I'm going to locate that here. 1, 2, 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3. And then locate the y-intercept. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Somewhere around here. I'm going to kind of roughly say, right, so from here. So from this point, what are you going to do? Right, so from this point, you're going to move down 2 units and then right 3 units. Approximately would be right around here. So then we can connect those 2 points together, and that's a rough graph of line. Okay, so you locate your y-intercept. In this case is 0 and 16 over 3, and you move down 2 units. So this would be my 2 units. And then you move to the right 3 units. Or if you were going to use this as 2 over negative 3, if you say the slope is 2 over negative 3, then from this point on, you have to go up 2 units and to the left 3 units. That would be another point on the same line. So that's how you can graph the line, or you could locate the x and y intercept and connect them together. That would be another way to graph them.